Hey guys, I was gonna make this one a YouTube short, but I'm from New York, and Max B mean a lot to me, man. Let's get it. Supreme Tees. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And they gave Max B his only tee, man. I know a lot of y'all don't know who Max B is. He's actually in jail right now. He should be home November this year for some stuff he did before he kind of popped with Jim Jones. He wrote most of the Ballin' song. Max B is just that dude, man. The Wiz Khalifas and the Kanye West flow change and all that came from Max B, guys. So we're going to get into a review with a Max B tee. In this tee here that is, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with it. I just thought it was dope. What do they call this tee? The mouse tee. So let's get it. Let's start with the mouse tee, guys. It's just called mouse tee. It came in a lot of colorways. I almost brought it in the pink. But I got too much pink Supreme now that I'm looking. I got a whole bunch of red Supreme, but I got a lot of pink Supreme. There go your Supreme tag. I went with the medium. That's true to size for me. I am a medium, and it always fits perfect, guys. Always fits perfect. No matter if it's a spring tee, fall tee, winter tee, it always fit perfect with the medium. Now, when we go to the hoodies, sometimes I go up to the large. Before the tees, straight medium. There you have it, guys. The mouse tee, man. So, you know who you got there, man. You got a lady laying in the bed. I don't know why the mouse there. As you can see, she kind of untucked in the front, too. It's kind of, I don't know how Supreme comes up with these. But every time they come out with like a comic look tee, it's a must-have for me. Just like this one I brought a couple of weeks ago. The comical look. I know it got some explicit joints on it. But the comic look always makes it dope. And Supreme is just known for being explicit. And speaking of controversy, man, this, what is it called? Leda in the Swan tee? Leda in the Swan tee? Whole bunch of controversy around this tee, guys. I haven't even worn it yet also. Very controversial if you know about your history way back then. Very controversial. So when they came out with this mouse tee, it was just on brand, guys. More the same. Now let's get to what I'm so hyped to get to, man. The Max B tee. And it came out of nowhere. Like, no one thought it was happening. You know, the store opened in Miami. So no one really was thinking New York. You would think like, I don't know, Paul Wall or whoever's in Miami. I can't think. Flo Rida, Rick Ross. One of them would have got the tee for the Miami opening. But they went with Max B, man. And my fingers were shaking as I was trying to buy this release date on the website, which is crazy. That only happens with like hype sneakers. It never happened to me with no streetwear. But I got it, man. And I could have got a lot of different colors, but once I got the red, I was satisfied, man. So let's start with the back. It says Max B for Supreme. The waviest of all time, 2025, Al. If you know Max B, he wrote that. That's straight from him, man. Very dope. I love how the writing, you could hardly even read it. She loves me on the front, on the top. She loves me not on the bottom. And the iconic picture of Max B holding all the money, man. This is dope. I also got this in the medium, man. True to size. I like this red because it's like, it looked like a little darker red than the one I got on. It might be the same, but looking at it right here, it looks more burgundy-ish. But yeah, man, the Max B tee. Supreme also had like a painted tee, which I wanted to get, but it was no like color that I didn't already have. But that painted tee with the Supreme around the whole side, I really like that one, man. But again, the Max B tee was the gift for me. It was the winner, man. This is the sticker, by the way, guys. Very dope, man. One of the best stickers of the year. along with this one. I wasn't able to get nothing. Well, I got the burner accessory from this, but I wasn't able to get anything Last Supper. The hoodie, I felt like it was too expensive, man. And I don't really be feeling that way with Supreme clothing, but I want that hoodie. Now I might have to pay resale, but I just felt like that hoodie was priced too high. And yeah, man, like I said, this could have been a short, but it was Max B. Had to get in front of this camera and do this for y'all, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.